Hello everyone, welcome back to AR Analytics. My name is Dr. Aniket and I make videos to educate people in programming and data science because I believe in empowering curious minds and simplifying coding journey for all. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about assignment operators in Python. This video includes hands-on session about how to use assignment operators in Python and errors associated with them. And at the end of the video there is an amazing quiz to test your learnings from this video. So friends, in Python, assignment operators are used to assign the values to the variables. The equal to symbol is used as assignment operator, which assigns values on right hand side of the operator to the variables on left hand side of the operator. We have some shortened assignment operators available in Python. They are a combination of assignment operator and arithmetical operations. They are add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, and many more. Let's see how to use them in Python. So friends, before moving to the hands-on session, if you haven't subscribed to the AR Analytics yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the assignment operators. The first operator is assignment, which is denoted by equal to symbol, which assigns values on a right hand side of the operator to the variable on left hand side of the operator. It is very simple to use. Let's say I have to assign a value to this variable var and value is 5. Let's print this. So it is as simple. You can see here we have printed var and it is showing 5. That is, the value 5 is assigned to the variable var. Now the next operator is addition and assignment, which is a combination of addition and assignment. Now if you want to do some operations like this, let's say var is equal to var plus 1. Now, and if you print this var, we get 6. Now we can perform this operation using shortened assignment operator like this, var plus equal to 1, and if you print now it will show 7 like this. So this is how we can use addition and assignment in combination to perform the operations. The next one is subtraction and assignment, that is subtract and assign. So if we have var variable minus 3 equal to 3, and if we print, earlier it was 7, now 7 minus 3 it should return 4. So this is how we can use subtraction and assignment together. Now we have multiplication and assignment. This is also a similar one. Var star 2. Now our value was 4 into 2, it should return 8. Sorry, I did this 2. Now so next is division and assignment. So we can perform division. Let's say this is divide and assign, and we have to divide this 8 with, let's say, 3, and we print again var, so 2.666. So this is how we can use this divide or division and assignment operator. Then there is a modulus and assignment operator. We can perform var modulus equal to, now let's define value of variable var equal to 4, then var equal to, modulus, we want modulus equal to 2 and print. Guess what will be the result? 0, because the modulus of 4 divided by 2 will be 0. That is, the remainder of 4 divided by 2 will be 0. If we do this thing for variable value of 5, let's say 5, and var modulus assign 2, and if we print this thing, we'll get 1 like this. So this is modulus and assignment. We have exponential and assignment operator also. So let's do this var. What is the value of variable now? That is 5. sorry, so let's define the value 4 and where, sorry, you want exponent and assign 4 square will be 16. So this is how the combination of the assignment operator with arithmetical operators works. This is floor division, and let's say VAR, floor division, assign 4, let's say 3, and print VAR, it's 5. So these are the assignment operators we are using in Python. So friends, next thing is errors associated with assignment operator. Let's quickly see the errors. Mainly there are 4 types of error those can occur while using assignment operators. They are name error, syntax error, type error and zero division error. Let's start with a name error. If we try to assign value 1 to this variable x without defining the x, and if we print this, print x, it will throw a name error, variable x is not defined. You can see here. So what is the error here? We have not defined the x before using x. So let's define the x, and now we can see. So this is a name error, and this is how we can rectify this error. Now next is syntax error. So you cannot add and assign, or you cannot use assignment operators on the numbers or numbers. Let's say if I have to add value 2 to number 5, if I'll try to do this using this operation, and if I'll run this, it will throw a syntax error. So what is the correct way? You have to define variable equal to 5 and then var plus equal to 2, then print var, and we have to comment this thing. So you can run the cell now and it will run easily. Next is the type error. So when will this happen? If you have variable var and value is assigned to it is a string, let's say arn analytics, and if you will try variable plus equal to 1 and print var, it will throw a type error. So if variable is a string, type of this variable is string, and if you try to add a number to it, it will throw a type error. And the last one is zero division error. So if you try to divide anything with 0, it will throw a zero division error. So let's again create a variable equal to 5 and var divide and assign with 0 and print. So it will throw zero division error like this, division by 0. It will happen with the modulus. Let's say change this thing to modulus, and if we try this thing, it will also throw zero division error. If we try a floor division also, again it will throw zero division error. So these are the errors associated with assignment operators.